What if everyone suddenly stopped eating Swiss chocolate? Switzerland, which produces over 180,000 tons of chocolate a year. Their $1.5 billion chocolate industry? Poof, gone. Cows producing that rich alpine milk? Now unemployed. Swiss citizens eat 10 kilograms of chocolate per person annually. Without it, national happiness might drop faster than a Toblerone bar in summer. Tourists would say, great mountains, but no chocolate? Meanwhile, Belgium starts printing World Chocolate King on passports. So yeah, save the chocolate, save the Swiss economy, and your sanity.